Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy King J. I'm about to show you how to make intros on your videos. So yeah, if you have any issues on making intros, this app is really easy. This got me through making my first intro. They have different stuff that you can make. I did mine the gaming one because that one looks cool. But they have a lot of them, a lot of free ones, and yeah, you can also add different stuff. Sorry about the stupid ads. I mean, there's a little ads, but once you get it, once you get used to this app, you can download it. Then you can start working on it. You can add stickers, sounds, music, pictures. You can add all that fun stuff. So yeah, this helped me with my first intro. So if you guys need help on making an intro, this is how you guys will do it. Have a great day, guys.